Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Gigabyte antenna model and the matching 50 ohmega coax so you don't mix connectors. Once done, gather tools, wrench set, mast, grounding rod, and weatherproof tape. Make sure to pick an elevated location with clear line of sight and mark the azimuth you'll aim toward. Begin by loosely assembling the mount hardware on the mast and loosely fitting the antenna so you can rotate and fine-tune alignment in the next steps. Now you mount the mast firmly to the structure, checking for plumb and at least 1-2 meters clearance from nearby obstructions. Once the mast is stable, attach the antenna and hand tighten all clamps, then apply final torque to the manufacturer's spec so it stays put. After that, connect the coax with the correct adapter and weatherproof the connection. Use cable clips every 0.5 to 1 meter to prevent strain, and run the cable to your radio or router while keeping it away from power lines. Finish by fully weatherproofing each RF joint and the feedline entry point to prevent corrosion. Wrap and heat shrink where possible. Then power up your radio or router and run a signal test, adjusting the antenna azimuth in small 1 to 3 degree steps to maximize RSSI. Make sure to lock all clamps after you confirm peak signal and secure the coax along its run. If you see low signal, the key troubleshooting tip is to immediately recheck connectors, grounding integrity, and antenna angle. These cause most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.